welcome friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Here I am in the village of Shady Brook, and I'm hungry. It's Sunday at noon. I'm gonna go in and see what Boosters Bar and Grill has to offer. I'm gonna give you a restaurant review and give you my opinion of the food here at Boosters Bar and Grill. As I drive up, looks like a beautiful building. Stay tuned, friends. Must be good food here because the parking lot is full of cars. That is Boosters Bar and Grill right there. You can see the parking lot is full of cars. You do have the Shallow Creek Golf Club right next door. What a novel concept this is. They do have a driving net right over there. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am walking into Boosters Bar and Grill. Join us every day, 3 to 5 for social hour. Half price bottles of wine, wine down Wednesdays, bucket of beer, Thirsty Thursday. Hours are 11 to 9.
Yeah, not offer. Looks like I got 2 on the corner there.
Grilled chicken sandwich with French fries, bacon. Looks delicious. I'll let you know how it turns out. Well, there you have it. Boosters Bar and Grill. Right there. Boosters Bar and Grill right there, friends. So I want to give you an update and a review. I had the grilled chicken sandwich. The cost was $15.95. This is the Shallow Creek Golf Club, by the way. The grilled chicken sandwich came with fries. The grilled chicken sandwich had lettuce, tomato, and bacon. There was a special sauce on it too. Overall, it tasted very good. The chicken, the size of the chicken breast was large. It was good. It was prepared well. The flavor was good. I believe it was a brioche bun it was on. The fries were good. They were delicious. Overall, I would give the meal Based on taste and flavor, I'd give it probably a 8.5 out of 10. It was pretty good. The service was really good, actually. It was busy. It's Sunday. It's NFL Sunday. And the restaurant was busy, and I did get served relatively quickly. I did eat at the outside bar.
Got it.
It's a very large bar area. Half of the bar is inside. Half the bar is outside. It's a warm day, so I decided to eat outside, overlooking the golf course. Overall, I would come back again and eat here. I think the food was pretty good. Service was reasonable, was good. The wait staff was good. Very friendly hostess at the front of the restaurant helped me find a chair at the outside bar. You even have seating area here. The Shallow Creek Golf Club hours are 6:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., by the way, for those that don't know. So yes, I would recommend eating at Booster's Bar and Grill. Beautiful flowers. I'll give you a short tour of what's around the restaurant area. It's a golf course, obviously. And you do have a neighborhood of homes over there. Look like designer homes over there. This must be a golf maintenance building here. Good afternoon.
How are you doing, sir?
I am great. How are you?
We are living the dream out here.
So here we have, this is a golf maintenance building here, I believe. And here's the golf course.
Right there, and then they pull their
All the
plane.
planes are in the garages. With all their, there's 5 cars in the garage with their planes plugged in there.
That's the restaurant there. This is a driving net right here. Here's the golf course. Large retention pond over there. Overall, very good experience here at Booster's Bar and Grill. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.